So we're back today with the home reno or flip house topic, and I really want to suggest that you pre-plan as many projects as you can. So you're going to want to write out a realistic timeline. How long will each project or the whole project take? Who's going to do that work, and what materials will you need? If you're doing a bunch of updates within your project, it's really helpful to lay it out on paper and to give yourself some flexibility within your plan. So, maybe if you're using contractors, consider, they're probably going to have either a change or a delay, or, is there something you can do differently if they do have that? Like, I suggest laying out like a plan B or a plan C or some other scenarios. So when you're knee deep in the project and things get a little stressful, if you've already thought through these things, it just makes it really helpful to quickly readjust and reduce that stress. So, you're going to want to take a look at the availability of materials too. So is this, within your scope, is this a home project at your current house and, you really want a certain color or style, and you need to special order materials, or is this something where, it's a rental property and you want it to look nice, but you can use some readily available materials, some things they stock at your local hardware store. So, just really think through those things because they can really adjust the timeline if you haven't planned for it, and it can also really impact your budget. So if you were thinking you were going to get, one option and then had to all of a sudden pay a huge cost to quickly get, plan B, and it just can throw everything for a loop. So the same as I suggested for a budget, it's really helpful to put this information on paper and then just keep reviewing it as you go through the project. Just, maybe once a week or something, but it'll just help keep everything on track.